Hello. Welcome to NAVITAS EFFICENS, your smart energy partner. We are presenting you a 25 kilowatt solar PV rooftop installation with its turnkey shade structure in GI material for a hospital. NAVITAS EFFICENS is an internationally registered brand and company working in diverse areas of energy sector since 2012. Watch this full video to know the project in detail. Make sure to subscribe our YouTube channel to stay up to date with our latest project videos. Do not forget to like and share the video. We designed a 3D digital model to work on the accuracy. It's a raised structure installation for PV solar power system. Terrace before shade structure. For installing 75 solar panels, shade was needed to be created, and height of this shade was decided on the basis of existing structure of the terrace. Terrace after completion of shade structure. Solar panels were installed on the shade structure. Solar PV rooftop installation can be done for everyone, but not by anyone. It requires proper technical knowledge, designing expertise, and skilled manpower for its execution. Thank you for watching.